What's up guys, it's your boy Kevin here, and today I'm going to answer a few questions that I've seen in my inbox, and they are about the KTT bot. Somebody was saying that he's been running this bot for 10 minutes and then wait for 20 minutes and then run again after 20 minutes, run again to 10 minutes, and then do some weights and all that stuff. So I just want to address that question, okay? Because maybe the bot is new, and it's just an upgrade of the previous bot that we had before. And according to the last video, I showed you how you can run this bot. In order to be profitable, there is a way you can run this bot, and I showed you that. So I've just logged into my account, and if you don't know how to log into that account, you can just log out like this. And let me just show you. You log in, and I'm already logged in into my DERIV account, so that's why you see this. But when you're logging in on a fresh, then you'll see username and password. You put your username and password, and then you continue. So because I'm logged in into my normal DERIV bot, so I'm just going to log in again. So I'm going to continue, right? Now I'm in, right? So you can hide your details over here. You can hide your name. You can hide your account details here. Then I'm going to launch this bot. This is the only bot that we have currently on this app, but the others are coming soon. I'm working on them, and when they're ready, I'll just put them up, and I'll also show you how you can use them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this bot. So because I had already given you a sneak peek of this bot, I showed you what this is. This is the dashboard. Now this is the account selection here, and this is the support. You can join our Telegram through this bot here. You can go to message. You can join our YouTube. You can send me a Gmail from here, and you can toggle between dark theme and light theme, right? As per now, as you can see, this is a dark theme and this is light theme. Sometimes when it's dark, yeah, this light theme will not be good for your eyes. Then you will opt for dark theme, as you have seen already in the last video. So this is the only bot that you have, the KTT Edge bot version 2. Then I'm going to launch it. So let me just switch to light mode. As you can see, light mode, dark mode, light mode, right? So this is my real account. As you can see, this is my real account, and this is my Bitcoin account. This is my ETH account, and this is my, I'm just going to show you this using this virtual account. So first of all, you don't run the bot for maybe 10 hours and then wait for another hour. That is not how we run this bot. I showed you how to run this bot, and if you did not get how to run this bot, I'm going to show you afresh. So first of all, you wait this market to be on a stable trending, right? First of all, you wait it to be on a stable trending the way it is now, right? And here you wait this to be this is 1 minute market. So when it's trending up to at least 30%, you can take up your trade. And this is in a 5 minutes, and this is on a 15 minutes, okay? Today being on a Sunday, the 14th, now what happens is, as we can see, on a 15 minutes, the market is trending on a 44%, right? While the choppy is on 56%. And on 5 minute ticks, the market is trending on 41%, while the choppiness is 58%, right? So based on 300 ticks, because one tick represents 1 second. So this one represents 1 second. So this is a market according to 1 second ticks, right? Yeah, this is now based on 60 ticks. That's why it's 1 minute our market status. So based on 60 ticks, we see that the market is trending at 46% and it's choppy at 54%. So that means the choppiness of the market is more than trending of the market. And here is just the same and here is just the same. But since the synthetic indices markets are normally on a choppy market, so what happens is most of the time you'll see that the choppiness of the market is more than the trending of the market, because the market will not trend each and every single time. So when, as you can see here, if the trending is above 30%, now it is 57%, we can take the trade. But we only take the trade if this market status on one tick is also trending, as you can see. So this way we can place a trade. So it was trending, and this is now above 30%. So you see, most of the time it will be a success. So, and the best stake, we said that when we stake 1 and martingale 2, if our stop loss is we have achieved our target profit, because our target profit was $2 according to here, and the stop loss is 20. So that means if our target profit is, our base stake is 1, then we only target 2. So the base stake is at least 1 or 0.5 to 2% of our stop loss, right? This is our stop loss. This is the money that we are ready to lose, right? Because we're trading with any money that you're ready to lose, right? So what happens is you can put here your base stake as 10 if your stop loss is 20. That would be ridiculous, right? So this is the 5% of our stop loss. So if we look at it well, this is like 5% of our stop loss. We target 10% of our stop loss, right? So this is now the 10% of our stop loss, but our stake is 5% of our stop loss. So if I put here as 200, then our base stake will be 10, then our target profit will be 20, right? So because our stop loss is 200, then our target profit is 10% of the stop loss, and the base stake is 5% of the stop loss. So that means this is the amount that we are willing to lose, right? So that's it. So sometimes I see some traders use this 10 as a base stake, and they only have like $50 or $20 only for this stake. So this will be, you'll be staking like, if this is 10, your stake is $10 and your stop loss is 20, so that means you're staking more than 50% of your account, and that is detrimental, right? So you should stake only like 5% to at least 10% of the stake. So if this is 20 and this is 2, so our target profit is 2. So you place this 2 as your target profit, then you'll find that most of the time you'll be hitting your target profit, because as you can see, the market will not be always trending. The market sometimes is choppy and the market sometimes is trending. So with this bot, we only trade when the market is trending. So, and that does not mean that the market will stay at that particular higher percentage every single time. Instead of targeting here as 50, we are only targeting 2, because the market can be against that and we can lose all the money that we have. So when using this bot, you don't have to wait for maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes. What you should look for is this the market status and this market status. If the market status is choppy here, and the market status here is less than 30%, or let's say it's 20%, and here is 20%, and here is 20%, or something of the sort, then you don't have to activate the bot. Leave the market, go away, and come back later. But if the market here is trending, and the trending here is above 30% as it is, and here is above 30% as it is, and here is 40% as it is, then that is when we can take our trade. So as you can see, here is trending, and here is above 30%. We can activate the bot. Let me just reset this, and you see what I mean. So we leave this up to when we see a trending like this, and it should be stable, and this is above 30% as it is now. Then we activate the bot. Just as simple as that. Okay, just as simple as that. And you'll find out that we are winning. There are more wins than losses, yes, if you follow that that particular thing that I'm saying. As you can see, our losses is 1, our wins is 3, and our take profit is $2. We are not, as you can see now, now the market on a 1 minute tick is choppy. It is now choppy most of the time, and it's trending 57%. So that one we can take our trade, right? Last time when I was shooting this the previous video, I had like $117, but now you see I have $315. So that means I'm also using the same bot to also trade, right? And as the time goes by, we'll also set our challenge, and I'll show you how you can take at least your account from little amount to at least larger amount when you're following all this what I'm teaching in this video. So that's the only thing that I wanted to answer those questions, that you don't have to wait for at least 10 minutes then you activate the bot. You only activate the bot if the market is showing you that you should activate the bot or not. The trending is now 4%. That means it's less than 30%. So when I activate this bot, that means I will be losing, right? I expect it to lose. You see, there are more losses because the trending is below 30%. So that's why you're seeing I'm losing more, right? Yes, as you can see, the losses are more than the wins. Okay, but as the trending goes by, now you see that I can get some wins here, but so long as it's less than 30%, then there is a probability that you'll get more losses here, right? As you can see, I have more losses than wins because the trending was less than 30%. So that's what I'm trying to say here, right? So in this case, the trending is up to 30%, so that means it can reach our target profit. But when you activate the bot, when the trending on a 1 minute is less than 30%, there is a high possibility that you can lose, right? So I've just won this. I've reached our target profit this because the trending was, took itself from 4% to now at least above 40%. That's why we were making some losses here at the beginning, because the trending was below 30%. But as the market stables, you see that there were more wins here. But all in all, we see that there are more losses than wins because we started when the market was not trending. The market was choppy. So that's the few things that I wanted to say in this video. And if you want to test this bot now, test it when you're looking at this. So just look at the particular time that you'll be now activating the bot, because now that will be your sweetest spot. Okay. Yes, that's why you don't want to ask questions like, at what time should I activate the bot? At what time should I not activate the bot? No, you only activate the bot when you see trending here is above 30%, and here the market is stable on a trending. And if you want to get this bot, the link is in the description below. It's kttbot.com. You just click that link, you'll find this bot, you test it. If you see the market status for you, then you will be using that market status. If there is more wins more than losses, then that will be now your sweetest spot. So see you in the next video.